Viralaluna.com delivers an exceptionally refined and satisfying online shopping experience that feels both premium and personal from the very first interaction, setting a high standard for quality, presentation, and customer trust. The website itself is beautifully designed with a clean, modern layout that makes navigation effortless, allowing customers to explore products comfortably without feeling overwhelmed, while the visuals, descriptions, and overall branding create a strong sense of authenticity and professionalism. What truly sets Viralaluna apart is the evident focus on craftsmanship and detail, as each product appears carefully selected or created with durability, comfort, and style in mind, giving confidence that you're investing in something made to last rather than a temporary trend. The ordering process is seamless and well-structured, with clear information, transparent pricing, and a secure checkout that ensures peace of mind at every step. Shipping is impressively prompt, and items arrive well-packaged, protected, and presented in a way that shows genuine care for the customer experience, turning delivery day into something genuinely exciting. Beyond the products themselves, Viralaluna customer support deserves special recognition, as communication is responsive, courteous, and solution-oriented, making customers feel heard, valued, and supported throughout the entire journey. The brand also reflects a strong commitment to customer satisfaction and consistency, which builds trust and encourages repeat purchases, as everything from quality control to post-purchase follow-up feels thoughtfully executed. Overall, Viralaluna.com stands out as a reliable, stylish, and customer-centric brand that successfully combines aesthetics, functionality, and service excellence, leaving a lasting impression that goes far beyond a typical online purchase and making it an easy recommendation for anyone seeking a dependable and high-quality shopping experience they can confidently return to again and again.